Wow. All the wing feathers are now out. This one? It's removing things from the feathers. There's no light this way. It seems very dark. So they are this scared of human beings. Morning exercise. You guys should go. Oh wow. A lot of space now. Because we've removed the barrier. They are coming to one side of the pen, and then they'll take another side. It's like exercise really. As one start running, the other ones will follow. Don't let me smack you. These ones are busy eating. Food is their priority. They don't care if they have water or not even at this point. Oh. Attention to noise.
Right, depending on which side of the bag is
You know, I noticed that they don't put too much inside the black container.
Really?
You can't see. I don't see. Or they poop on the side, then they sweep it, go down again. The red container, they were just pooping inside their food. See, their king is standing to lead a meeting. Or their queen mother. I came and made one of the white one inside. I don't know how long it has been inside the container.
Inside the there.
Yes.
When to eat. You finish all the feed.
Yeah, finish everything. The feed container is clear. You finish all the food.